What's going on, everybody? This is Andre from Start to Finish Podcasting. And today, I just thought I'd test out my microphone and my GoPro. So I got a GoPro for Christmas and I never used it outside. I used it here and there just for testing purposes, but I never really used it. So I figure it's Sunday, I'm in the park. Why not come out here and try to use it? I have the sun beaming on me, so it's in back of you. So, you know, it might be a little bright. I'm gonna try it in different areas. But this is what it looks like with the sun beaming in on you. Bright lights, and it is bright too. And I'm also testing my wireless microphone. So this right here is a wireless microphone. It's two pieces. It's two pieces to this microphone. One is connected to the GoPro, and the other is connected to, it's not connected, but it's right here. So it's a small wireless device that goes here, and it gets a signal from the other piece, which is on the GoPro, and that's how I get the signal coming into the GoPro, because that piece is connected to my GoPro, and this is the transmitter, and this transmitter goes to the receiver, which goes into the GoPro, so that's why you hear my voice. This thing is pretty decent. I want to talk about the mic a little bit for those who do podcasting with a microphone. If you don't want the microphone all up in your face and all in your frame, then you might want to consider this. This microphone is $199. It's called the Rode Wireless Go microphone. And with this microphone, it not only serves as a wireless microphone, you can move around with this thing and it won't affect the audio. So if I move here, I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna move right here and it still doesn't affect it. So if I move back a little more, excuse the wind, so I'm gonna move back a little bit more, move back a little bit more, move back a little bit more. Right now, I don't know how many feet I'm away, but yeah, I'm still moving back. Let me turn around and walk and see where I'm at. Let's turn. This signal from the receiver to the transmitter, from the transmitter to the receiver, as long as it's in line of sight at a certain amount of feet, it'll still pick up the signal. So right now, you may still hear the signal. I'm not sure if you hear it because I'm not testing I'm not hearing the audio. I'm not monitoring it, but you should still be able to hear me pretty clear. I'm going to move back a little bit more. As long as this transmitter that I have right here and that receiver is in line of sight, it'll go a pretty far distance. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go a little further and see. I can go backwards like this. I don't know if you could see it, but I was running backwards a little bit. You should still be able to hear it. You should still be able to hear me. When it starts to get bad, it'll get choppy. So it'll start sounding like this if I count to 10. 1, 3, 5, 7. That's choppy. So that's what you'll hear if the signal gets a little off or not in line, or the signal's not in line, or if it's not a good signal. I'm gonna still move back and see how far I can go. So I'll just stop right about right here. And the signal should still be good because it's still in line of sight. So this microphone, like I said, it goes for $100. I'm gonna walk back now. This microphone goes for $199, and it's pretty good. It's not just for podcasting either. That's why I'm doing this video. This is for just anybody who does, excuse me. This is just for anybody who does live videos. It'll help you, so you don't have to have a microphone in the frame. Some people don't like microphones in the frame, and I'm one. It doesn't bother me. It looks professional to me still, no matter what. But if you're one who does a podcast, or if you just go live, this is perfect for you. You know what I mean? It's under $200. You'll have some tax, but All you do is connect it up. It's very simple to connect. You just connect. You can connect it to your computer. You can connect it to a GoPro like what I have it connected to. It connects to just about everything that has a 3.5 millimeter jack. So you'll hear a different sound. Now it's kind of, I'm under this here. It's kind of echoey because I'm under this. So you'll hear an echo. I'm going to try to do this somewhere else, but this is the GoPro Wireless Go. I mean the GoPro, I'm sorry, the Rode Wireless Go microphone. It's a wireless microphone, so you should be able to do a lot of things with this. I mean, you can get up, sit down, move around, no wires. So that's the good thing about this. As far as the GoPro, I'm testing that out also. This is the first time I'm really testing it. There's a lot of things you can do with that. This GoPro shoots in 4K. For those who don't know what 4K is, it's just a higher quality of higher quality of video. It's just like, for an example, your internet service. If you get the regular basic channels, you can get the regular basic channels. You can upgrade to the standard plan, which gives you more channels, and you can upgrade to the professional plan, which gives you all the channels. 4K is like all the channels. It's the best you're going to get in terms of video recording. So this records, excuse me, my voice is cracking. So this records in 4K. It records in 2K and 1080p and 720. 720 is not, it's okay, it's decent. Facebook puts your video out in 720. That's why I don't usually post directly to Facebook with my videos. I usually shoot my videos to YouTube, and then I put a link in Facebook because I don't like the 720 pixel. It's just, it's not bad. It's just, I've seen better, and once you see better, you want to do better, and get better. So I like to stream in 1080p, which is like the second, maybe the third highest quality, which is very good still. So but this one right now, I'm streaming in 4K. I like it. I've streamed in 4K before with this GoPro, and it was a real clean, crisp quality looking audio. It was very clear. I don't know how this video is going to be because the sun is like blasting me in my face. So I'm going to try to do it from another angle and see how that works, see if there's a difference in the audio quality. But if you're looking for, you know, a microphone that's wireless, you can use this one, the Rode Wireless Go. It's a great microphone. The GoPro is awesome. Like it's the truth. It's the truth because it's small. It's about that big, and you get better quality. Like this gives out better quality than my webcam. I don't even know why I don't use this in the house. But I guess because my webcam is just there and I ain't got to hook nothing up. But this gives good quality. It's 4K. You can't get any better than that. So if you guys are looking to do a video or you plan on streaming, you know, live streams, I think you can live stream with a GoPro also. I've tested that out. It's a little delay, but the audio quality is fairly okay. So you can stream with the GoPro, and you know, you could do a lot of things with this GoPro. So it's nice. I have the GoPro 8. There's a GoPro, there's a GoPro 9. There's a GoPro 7. Either one of those three will do you good. The GoPro 7 is, you can get a lot out of the GoPro 7 because there's a lot of features on there that are still there, whereas the GoPro 8, they took a certain features away, but then they added some very, very, very good features that the GoPro 7 doesn't have, and the GoPro 9 pretty much has both of them. So the GoPro 9 is more like a 7 and an 8 together. But the 7 is good, it works good. The 8 is fantastic, is what I have. And you know, either one is gonna do you some justice. So just want y'all to check this out and let me know what you think about the GoPro and the wireless microphone. Let me know if I'm coming through pretty good. Let me know how it sounds. And I appreciate all of you. I'm out of here. Peace.